Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Killer Bunny look, so stay tuned. Starting with my brows as always, and I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. Today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette. With my Morphe M441, I'm picking up Morocco. I'm placing that shade in the crease and then I'm gonna blend it up. I'm cutting tissue paper into strips and I'm gonna try to make them a little bit thin, maybe about an inch wide. Then I'm gonna separate the strips and I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces. I'm adding the liquid latex with a cosmetic wedge. And this shit makes my eyes burn so fucking bad, I don't know why. I was supposed to do this before I started anything and I forgot. I don't know what I was thinking. Dude, I'm gonna get hella high off of just putting this stuff under my nose. This shit is so strong. Holy shit. We're just gonna do a bit of layers. Make sure you seal everything really well with the liquid latex. Aquí paper mache a la chingada. Vamos a parecer pinches piñatas when we're done, alright? Okay, so I wanted to do one on my chest too, but honestly, I'm running late as fuck, so I'm gonna have to skip out on that. It's all good though. Anyway, so we're going back to the eyes, and I'm gonna be grabbing Fudge with the Morphe M506. And we're keeping that closer to the crease, guys. I'm gonna be placing Noir on the outer lid, and I'm still using my Morphe M506. I'm cutting my crease with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170 brush. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe M506 to blend out the edge of the concealer into the black. I'm going to be applying pink champagne on the lid. This didn't come out as pink as I wanted it to look, so I'm going to be adding the Wet n Wild pigment in Pinkaboo. So I need to be very, very light-handed with this because this is super pink, and I guess I don't want it that pink. I'm adding Morocco to the lower lash lines. Now I'm picking up a tiny bit of Noir, and I'm just keeping that in the outer eye. Have the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I'm adding some of the eye candy glitter in Marshmallow to the tear duct. Now I'm adding my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige and Soft Beige. I'm using my Morphe makeup sponge to press that in. I went and curled my hair because I just felt like that would be a better idea than doing it after I did my mouth. But now I'm going back into the eyes and I'm curling my lashes with my MAC lash curler. So now we're finally going back to the mouth, and I'm going to start off by taking my spatula into the liquid latex and lifting the inside of it. We're just filling all of this shit in with black, and remember that the teeth don't have to be perfect, and I'm only saying that because I already fucked up, to be honest. Dientes más chuecos que la chingada. For my Morphe 35C palette, I'm picking up the darkest black. I'm applying that to the edge of the liquid latex. Now with the Morphe E17, I'm picking up the darkest maroon shade. Now I'm going to be picking up the gray shade. And I'm adding that in the edges of the mouth so that it could give it some sort of definition. Then I'm taking the black again and I'm putting it even farther up. We're finally adding some glue to the edge of the latex. And I'm pressing it in with another cosmetic wedge. And make sure to put a good amount of blood on, así para que se miren chingones when you guys are taking the kids out al trick or treat a la verga. I don't even have my stupid ass bunny ears yet. I still have to go buy them right now. Thing is, I just thought of this look like right before I did it, and in my little town we don't even have a Walmart or nothing like that, so I have to go out of town to go get it. I'm trying to get some blood on the teeth, just a little bit though. Alright guys, so even though I still need my bunny ears, here you have the finished look. I just added these little bunny ears. They're lace and I got them at Party City. They were only $10. Alright guys, so that wraps up the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give this look a try. See you guys next time. Alright, ahora sí a la pachanga.